What if the very thing you've been taught since childhood, to save money, is secretly keeping you broke? Imagine this. You're diligently putting aside 20% of your income each month, cutting back on small joys, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Everyone praises you for being responsible. But fast forward 10 years. While you're proud of your savings account, inflation has silently eroded its value, and opportunities you ignored have multiplied in cost. What you thought was safety was actually stagnation. The truth is, the old-school idea of just save and you'll be fine is outdated in today's financial landscape. In the past, a high-interest savings account could grow your money, but now, your money quietly loses value while prices, rent, tuition, and life itself rise like a silent wave. Meanwhile, the financially unstoppable aren't just saving. They're moving money, multiplying it, leveraging it. They understand that money, left still, dies. So instead of parking cash in the bank, they convert it into income-generating assets, digital real estate, skill stacking, smart leverage plays, and even AI-based side hustles. They don't hoard, they circulate. Saving money feels good because it feels safe, but safety isn't wealth, it's comfort. And comfort zones never build empires. You weren't meant to just survive inflation, you were meant to outpace it. Ask yourself, how many rich people became wealthy by saving alone? The real path isn't in storing cash, but in building systems, acquiring knowledge, and taking calculated financial risks. In a world where the economy rewards speed, innovation, and action, sitting on your money is like holding your breath in a race. Everyone else is moving while you're suffocating. It's not about spending recklessly, but about using your money with intention, strategy, and purpose. Saving is a tool, not a plan. And when you make it your only strategy, you trade long-term freedom for short-term peace of mind. The harsh reality: saving money the old-fashioned way might be your biggest financial mistake. Because in this fast-changing world, standing still is the new way to fall behind.